Hi, my name is Paul Robert Diaz de la Cruz.
Ako po si Francis Ren Kasibuwa. Power.
Ako po si Carlo Abian at kami po ang Team Power! At nandito po kami para i-present ang tatlong chemical composition at explanation nito.
We are here to present and explain three chemical compounds. Before I start anything else, let me first explain what is compound. A chemical compound is a chemical substance consisting of two or more different chemical bonded chemical elements with a fixed ratio retaining in the composition. This is water. Water is a transparent and nearly colorless chemical substance that is a main constituent of earth, streams, lakes, and ocean, and the fluids of most living organisms. Its chemical formula is H2O, meaning that its molecule contains 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms that correctly bicovalent bonds. Strictly speaking, water refers to the liquid state of a substance that prevails at standard ambient temperature and pressure, but it often refers also to its solid state, ice, or its gaseous state. It also occurs in nature as snow, glaciers, ice packs and icebergs, clouds, fog, dew, aquifers, and atmospheric humidity. The chemical composition of water is H2O, composed of 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, and 1 oxygen. Scientific name, dihydrogen monoxide. Water is a covalent bond, also called a molecular bond. Is a chemical bond and involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. These electron pairs are known as shared pairs or bonding pairs, and the stable balance of attractive and repulsive force between atoms when they share electrons is known as covalent bonding. And that is a brief explanation of water.
This is salt. Salt is a mineral composed primarily of sodium chloride, a chemical compound belonging to the larger class of salt. In its natural form as crystalline mineral is known as rock salt or halite. The chemical composition of salt is NaCl. The composed of 1 sodium and 1 chlorine, scientific name sodium chloride. Table salt is a sodium chloride, NaCl, which consists of sodium ions, Na+, and chloride ion, Cl-. The structure of held together by the attractions between the oppositely charged ions, which we call ionic bonds. And that is brief explanation of salt.
This is the vinegar. Vinegar, a sour-tasting liquid containing acetic acid obtained by fermenting dilute alcoholic fluids, typically wine, cider, or beer, and used as a condiment or for pickling. The chemical composition of vinegar is CH3COOH, composed of trichlorine, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Scientific name, acetic acid. The scientific name given to vinegar is acetic acid. This is because vinegar is a liquid substance that mainly consists of acetic acid. Acetic acid is a colorless liquid with a sour taste, low viscosity, and a strong pungent smell. There are many substances that could be similar to vinegar, so the many ways scientists differentiate one substance from another is by finding the characteristics properties. Vinegar's characteristic properties are that it has a density of 1.0446 g per centimeter cubed, melting point of having point of 16 degrees Celsius or 62.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and having a boiling point of 118 degrees Celsius or 244.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So, meaning vinegar is a covalent bond, and that is a brief explanation of vinegar. Thank you for listening, and remember guys, stay awesome!
Power at power at power.